Best motorcycle for beginners: BMW G310R. The exhilarating world of motorcycling beckons, and for beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision. The BMW G310R has emerged as one of the best motorcycles for novice riders, offering a harmonious blend of style, performance, and German engineering excellence. In this comprehensive review, we will delve into why the BMW G310R is an exceptional choice for beginner riders, covering its design, performance, safety features, and overall appeal. Contemporary and stylish design. The BMW G310R boasts a contemporary and stylish design that captivates riders with its minimalist and modern aesthetics. It is a naked bike that exudes elegance and simplicity with its clean lines, angular fuel tank, and distinctive LED headlight. The G310R has an unmistakable street presence that appeals to riders who appreciate both form and function. Lightweight and manageable. One of the standout features of the BMW G310R is its lightweight and manageable build. Weighing in at just 349 pounds, this motorcycle is remarkably easy to handle, making it an ideal choice for beginners. The low seat height and user-friendly ergonomics ensure that riders can confidently reach the ground, instilling a sense of control and stability. These attributes make the G310R an excellent option for those commencing their motorcycling journey. Responsive single-cylinder engine. The BMW G310R is powered by a responsive 313cc single-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 34 horsepower. This engine provides a perfect balance between power and approachability for novice riders. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it easy to manage, while still offering an exciting and versatile riding experience. The G310R's engine is designed to help riders build their skills and confidence. Versatile performance. The G310R's engine offers versatile performance for a wide range of riding scenarios. It has enough power to handle highway speeds with ease and offers an enjoyable riding experience in city traffic. This versatility ensures that beginner riders can comfortably adapt to various riding conditions without feeling overwhelmed. Comfortable ergonomics. Comfort is a vital consideration for novice riders, and the BMW G310R excels in this aspect. The motorcycle offers a comfortable riding position with an upright handlebar and a well-padded seat. The ergonomic design allows riders to enjoy long journeys without discomfort or fatigue. This user-friendly feature ensures that beginners can concentrate on enjoying their rides without discomfort. Advanced safety features. Safety is a top priority for beginner riders, and the BMW G310R comes equipped with advanced safety features to bolster rider confidence. The motorcycle features anti-lock braking system, ABS, as standard, which is a critical safety feature that prevents will lock up during hard braking. ABS enhances braking performance and control, especially in emergency stops or challenging road conditions. BMW's legendary engineering. BMW is renowned for its engineering excellence and innovation, and the G310R is no exception. The motorcycle benefits from the German brand's dedication to quality and performance. Riders can expect a reliable and durable machine that reflects BMW's commitment to engineering perfection. Customization and accessories. The BMW G310R provides a range of aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their preferences. Whether it's adding a windscreen, luggage options, or distinctive styling components, the G310R can be tailored to create a unique and individualized riding experience. Affordable price point. Affordability is a significant consideration for beginner riders, and the BMW G310R is attractively priced compared to many other motorcycles in its class. This makes it a budget-friendly entry point into the world of motorcycling, allowing novices to enjoy the thrill of riding without a prohibitive cost. Strong resale value. BMW motorcycles, including the G310R, tend to retain their value well, making it advantageous for riders who may decide to upgrade to a larger or more powerful motorcycle in the future. The G310R is likely to hold a substantial portion of its initial value when it comes time to sell or trade it. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycles for beginners, the BMW G310R stands out as an excellent choice, offering a harmonious blend of style, performance, and German engineering excellence. Its contemporary design, lightweight and manageable build, versatile performance, and advanced safety features make it an ideal motorcycle for novice riders. The G310R is designed to cater to a wide range of riding scenarios, ensuring that beginners can adapt to different conditions with confidence and ease. BMW's reputation for engineering excellence and the extensive support network further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the BMW G310R is a fantastic option for beginner riders, offering a comfortable, enjoyable, and safe introduction to the world of motorcycling, all within an affordable budget. Whether you're a novice rider eager to embark on your journey or an experienced rider seeking a dependable and stylish naked bike, the G310R is a motorcycle that's certain to provide a rewarding and satisfying riding experience.